Yes, you can use your camera's SD card with your iPhone to quickly preview photos and videos. You can also transfer files between your SD card and your iPhone. All iPhone 17 models come with a USB-C port that supports fast data transfer speeds. Use a high-quality USB-C SD card reader from a trusted brand like UGREEN, Apple, or TP-Link. Once you connect the card reader to your iPhone, the SD card will appear in the Files app. Open the Files app, then tap the Browse tab at the bottom to go to the main Files screen. Find your connected SD card. Mine shows up as Untitled. Tap it to browse your saved photos and videos, then open and play them directly from the SD card on your iPhone. In just a few seconds, you can transfer gigabytes of photos and videos from the SD card to your iPhone. Tap the Share button, then choose Save Video from the Share sheet. After a few seconds, you'll find the video in the Photos app. You can also transfer files the other way. Open the Photos app, select the photos and videos you want to copy, tap the Share button. Then choose Save to Files and select your SD card. That's it. You're all set. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up